Hi. Ooh. Shit. Yeah. Hey! So, I finally learned how to do a proper... Ooh. Focus. I finally learned how to do a fucking proper introduction without using my iPhone. So, hopefully the audio sounds a lot better. And if not, I guess I'm shit out of luck on that. But, welcome to It Takes Two. This is a playthrough with Cole and I. The first and second episode is going to have really shitty audio. I was going through, like, a lot of audio problems at this time, and I just couldn't figure it out until, like, as of recent. So, just bear with me. Cole and I worked hard on this, and we had a lot of fun making it, so I still wanted to put out the videos. I'm usually like, if it's not perfect, I don't want to make it, but we worked really hard, and I enjoyed the series, and he enjoyed it, and I want to put it out there, so enjoy.
Or I can invite a friend and play the first chapter trial, so.
Hey.
How was your day?
Great. The toaster broke and Rose refused to eat her vegetables.
How did it go at the dentist?
The dentist?
Don't tell me you forgot about the dentist appointment.
No, I didn't forget. I thought you were taking her tomorrow.
No, it was today. I'm working tomorrow.
But it's Saturday.
I know. I've got to work overtime.
What, you have to do that every week?
Oh, Cody, I'm not in the mood for this discussion again.
Hey, Rose needs both of us, okay?
That's not fair. Using her.
I'm not using her. I'm just stating a fact. Why don't we just go ahead and tell her that we're divorcing?
Oh, just like that?
Yeah. Babe,
They are not very subtle.
Let's not tell her. Let's stay friends instead.
Oh my god!
Yes. Let's stay friends forever.
Wow!
I love you, Cody.
Wow!
I love you too, May.
Hey, honey, can I just take Elephant a sec? All right. Rose, honey, you know we love you, right?
Yeah?
And sometimes that means that, we have to do stuff that isn't always very fun.
What we're trying to say, darling, is that... Well... Mum and Dad... We've decided to go our separate ways.
Okay. Can I go and play in my room?
Yeah, of course, sweetie.
Well, she took it pretty well.
I definitely don't think she did.
What the fuck, Cole? Oh, she's gonna put on a little play.
Dr. Hakim, you have to help me now. They have to stay together.
Aww.
Does she have a secret book of love?
Look.
Hey.
It says here, love is work, see? You have to work on it. You can't just give up. Mom, Dad, I wish you could be friends again.
Very heavy. I think she's taking it pretty well.
Yeah, I think those are tears of happiness.
Well, the thing is, I mean, she's not like, is it my fault? You know? Oh shit, we're the parents.
That...
Oh shit.
Yeah, you didn't think that's what this was gonna be?
I don't know anything about this.
Oh.
Oh! What is this? What is it? Thank you. Oh!
What is that?
I'm Dr. Hakim, worldwide bestseller and an expert on love. Your daughter purchased me. She was lucky. I was the last copy because I was selling the best. I've helped millions of couples, and now I will help you two to get together again.
This is definitely a nightmare. I need to wake
That
up.
book is thrusting its tips way too much.
Oh, May! May! Oh, you're back!
Oh
You
my
God. You can't wake up here.
Exactly.
Okay, Mr.
That's right, this is torture and you can't leave.
Wake up.
Cody, May, you're here to fix your relationship.
Just fixed it.
Yeah. We're, divorcing. It's all good.
No! I will help you fix your relationship. Chapter 1. Fix your relationship. Plus, I promise your daughter to fix your marriage. See, love is like a mountain. You two are like
Look,
a river.
May, it's Rose.
Flowers growing in the ground.
Come on, let's get to her. She must know what's going on.
Butterfly.
How do we get up to her?
Oh, the stairs over there.
But we can't reach them. Whoa, May.
See you later, Stinky.
What is going on here?
I have no clue. But whatever's going on, we can't lower that staircase without those fuses.
But those fuses?
We're gonna have to capture and kill them.
They just ran away. I mean, did you see them on their little fuse legs?
Oh, worry about that
It's
later.
what's required, evidently.
Just bring them back.
Yo, Cody's just like me. He's like the comedic relief. I gotta apply. Let's see if that did.
Okay, so it does affect it. You're gonna need to lower that a little. Alright, I'm gonna...
Oh, get back here!
I don't like the sound of that.
Me neither.
Well, that killed me instantly.
That was shocking.
I wouldn't advise doing it. Just kills you.
Oh, brain feels fried.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah. Need to cross here. Might be able to jump on these. We need to move this. You doing alright with your camera sensitivity? Yeah, it looks like you're having some trouble.
Whoa! I think this powers up the saw.
Yeah, let's check it out.
Let's go.
Whoa! Help!
Whoa!
Wow. Hey, May, did you see my flip? Let's do it again.
We're not here to do flips.
Oh, no, you're right. This is serious. We're hunting fuses with legs.
All right, this is the last one. Let's put it in.
They're so weird.
Oh, perfect.
And not,
Let's go.
like, having to read.
Whoa! Ow! You know who this guy is? Let me tell you, this is Cody.
Don't even
You know,
think
the
it.
guy who suck up all kinds of crap in your stomach.
Oh, no, that's,
That's you! You ruined my bowels with all that crap!
crap. What? I was just sucking up dust. That was it. Just. Oh, that's
Get there.
disgusting. Oh, look, there it is.
You call that just?
Well, I mean, you know, some of it, it's.
So that's why it broke down. It was your fault.
Oh,
And you promised him you'd fix me!
thank you.
Instead, you put me away for life in here!
I didn't mean to do that.
I don't think you should encourage the vacuum cleaner.
I don't think he's the antagonist here. I think
He ate us and then spit us out.
I think
We're the
Wanna talk
protagonists.
to your daughter?
I think so.
Then you need to climb the vacuum.
We are the main
Look at
characters.
her. Come on.
Why are you doing this to us?
Because you two must learn collaboration.
That's not our strong point.
Aha! You know, collaboration is the key to a successful relationship.
He's really
Huh?
gyrating.
Collaboration.
Please don't say that about a book.
Understand? Now, I'll see you later. Hasta la vista. Good luck.
Unfortunately, I can indeed see him.
This would
man
never
goes
have
hard.
happened if you hadn't broken it.
Oh, yeah? Well, this would never have happened if you had fixed it like you promised.
Well, I didn't know we'd end up in a place where our vacuum cleaner's alive.
Well, now we are. Huh? Maybe we're stuck here forever.
Forever? No way. We're getting a divorce.
Yeah, I know we're getting a divorce, but we can't do that unless we get back into our real bodies.
Okay. Let's climb that damn vacuum cleaner. Self-help book you'd buy.
You know,
Yeah, I saw the toxic sludge and was like, I wonder if that's toxic.
self-help books are very important.
He can't even get his dialogue out.
You died too quickly. Oh, wow, you are having a bad time.
Suck me.
Uh-oh. We both died. Right.
Cody, get inside!
Please be gentle.
I don't know where I'm supposed to fire you. I think there.
Please be gentle.
Nope.
Fire me up.
Please be gentle.
Oh, I didn't know I could angle it out.
This game is so fun.
Not bad.
They're very interesting sound effects as well.
That was kind of fun, actually.
Go
Just
through.
keep holding that door.
Don't jump into the blades. No. Okay. Oh dear. Oh, you need to hit the fan. You just blow out the fan. Up the top.
Damn it.
You almost killed me.
Sorry. I just had. I don't think
You need to grab the other one. Yeah, grab the other one.
grab that one.
Just barely.
That was totally worth it.
It's all yours. You gotta grab on. You gotta jump and hold on.
All right, give it a whirl.
Alright, jump off. Go to your left. There might be something over there. Well, I'm dead.
We made it over.
Yeah, let's keep moving.
Oh dear.
Getting closer to the top.
Oh no. Instant death. Okay, hang on. Alright, perfect. One. Nope. One, 2, 3, and 4. There we go. That's death. Okay, you're gonna need to switch it while I'm in there. A little too early.
Alright.
Okay, so... Go again. Okay. Alright, do I need to do the same? Yep. Alright. Alright. Where do we need to go? Well, I was just murdered. You didn't have any emotional reaction at the time other than laughter. Unconditional love followed by immediate laughter at death.
I feel sick. He said I feel sick.
Oh, that was a little too much.
Press it again, press it again.
Don't worry, I'm watching.
Alright. It's a difficult angle, this one.
What? Cold.
Oh, I didn't know you needed me to stop it.
Okay.
Okay, don't get knocked off.
Look at us go. Our teamwork is kind of impeccable.
That almost killed you. I think you need to go in. Didn't get there fast enough. You need to go underneath, I think. Or no, wait, maybe that's death. We're good. We're good. Okay, now press that button. I don't know what that does. Okay, let's see where this goes.
That vacuum's out of reach. We need to get it down. Talk about dead weight.
Entirely intentional, of course.
Wow.
Is this a floppy disk?
You destroyed my digestion! And you put me away to rot in here! Now you will both die!
No,
That's
wait.
our fault. That's
I can still fix you. I can make
I'd
you
say
better.
more your fault than mine.
More lies!
No. She's right. She's an engineer. A really good one. You are. You're very.
Yeah, but you're the one who broke it.
I'm not an
Are you
engineer.
really gonna
okay?
believe that? Huh?
I'm not.
Because I.
Evidently, no one is an engineer because no one likes math.
My real body back. I can fix you.
Yo.
Oh, is that
Come
so?
on now.
Then why did you buy the expensive Turbo X2000? Huh?
Hey!
We completely missed this plot.
You've replaced me with the Turbo X2000!
Oh, apparently they replaced him with a Turbo X2000.
Vacuum who can't even suck properly!
Can't give the good
I'll
stuff.
show you who's
Can't-
the
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's
Okay,
what's
I'm
out
out of
there.
here. See you later.
Yo, he's
Good luck.
working that corner, dog.
They knew what they were doing, and they reveled in it. We have health, get moving.
See your
I
fire
guarantee
This vacuum
that's
is
the entire
insane!
reason why they made it a fucking bag.
You need to suck up the ones down there.
No.
We lost the damage phase.
Suck on this!
Okay.
See him.
Okay, I'll get the one up here. You get the one down there. Yep.
No stop! That burns!
Oh, nice.
That's a scary small. this. I'm a dog. I still have some tricks.
That doesn't sound good!
This is highly damaging.
I've broken your little friend.
I'm back.
Watch out.
Drowning your garbage.
Might be the final one. Yep.
Hey,
Kill him.
he stopped!
Yeah, time to finish this.
Where are you taking those?
Straight to your mouth.
Eyes.
Oh, hey! Do you think this is too much?
Kind of, but he tried to kill us.
Sorry, vacuum!
I'm sorry. I take back what I said about
It's dead now. Good.
Holy shit.
We removed his eyes from their sockets and killed him.
We have to find Rose before she leaves.
I hope she knows what's happened to us.
Well, she must know something. I mean, she made these dolls.
She made these?
Yeah,
Well, why did she make them look like us?
I don't know.
Why didn't you tell me about them?
Well, why would I? She's a kid. She plays with all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, I suppose so. Well, come on, let's find her.